The Maverick is facing a peculiar dilemma heading into the start of the World Cup. The challenge is to find the balance between being an objective analyst and being a Brazil fan. What we know what I'm going to do? I'm going to just be the Maverick. So when we say Germany is the top team in Europe, the Confed Cup champions, the defending World Cup champions, and Germany will be hard to beat in a World Cup in Europe. And based on the quality and experience of the team, the Germans should be the favorites going into this World Cup. That don't mean I am now a German fan or a Waganist. Same when Mr. Lionel Messi is the best baller of the modern era. And based on his talent and skills, Messi should have won the World Cup already. And Messi still has the skills and the ability to step up, dominate, and win this World Cup in Russia. Again, that don't make me a Waganist or an Argentina fan. I am just objectively analyzing the football. And when me say, for one reason or another, I don't feel any of France, Belgium, England, or even Spain will win this World Cup, that don't mean I have anything personal against any of those teams. I am just doing balanced football analysis. So when we look on my watch, and I say the time up, and I don't say nothing yet about Brazil. It don't mean anything either. Time just done. It's soon time for eat prime. We just have to get the things and leave. You understand? We just have to get the things and leave. You understand me? I just have to get all the things and I got to leave. Alright? It don't mean I support one team. I mean I support